Okay, let's talk about San Pedro, California. It's a city being completely rebuilt, and this is its story.
That's the sound of the future arriving. The Port of Los Angeles isn't just expanding, it's exploding.
First up, a massive new cruise terminal, built to handle the biggest ships on the planet.
Then, a new pedestrian bridge, finally connecting the community right to its own waterfront. But all this hardware needs a soul, an operating system. That's where One Family comes in.
Let's zoom in on one building on 6th Street, a place that's seen 100 years of change.
When therapist Jennifer Wolfe saw it, she didn't just see a building, she felt a heartbeat.
So, the heart of this project? It's named the Don Allen Experience, after her parents.
It's a whole philosophy, the empathy of a lantern combined with the firm resolve of a spine.
And this idea comes to life down in the basement at Voxel Micro Video Labs.
But that name, Voxel, well, it's got its own backstory from her father's past.
See, he believed failure was just a rough draft, and the new Voxel honors that spirit. This whole thing is deeply personal, built as a message for the next generation of their family.
It's also the product of an 18-year partnership between Jennifer and her partner, Edwin.
And all of this is building towards one pivotal moment in the summer of 2026.
The building is going to open its doors, and right inside, the founders are getting married.
They realize love isn't something you just find, it's something you have to build.
So, here's the thing. This isn't just one family story. It's really an invitation.
The stage is set, the microphone is on, so the only question left is, what story will you tell?